Second, in order to resolve the controversy and to decide the question raised in this appeal by grant of special leave, we would refer to the cases decided by this court and the full bench decisions of the Punjab and Haryana High Court relied in the impugned order. In the Municipal Corporation of the City of Ahmedabad versus Chandulal Sahemla Das Patel and ORS 1971 SCWR 183 decided on 8/1/1970, a division bench of 2 judges of this court held that the land was notified for acquisition by the state government for the use of the municipal corporation, but that did not confer any interest in the municipal corporation so as to enable it to file an appeal against the order of the High Court allowing the petition. In the said case, certain lands belonging to the Chandulal Sahemla Das Patel, the respondents were notified for acquisition under Section 4 of the Act by the Government of Bombay by a notification dated February 19, 1959. The area in which the land was situated was subsequently allotted to the state of Gujarat on the bifurcation of the state of Bombay under the State Reorganization Act 1960. As such, the Divisional Commissioner of the State of Gujarat issued a notification under Section 6 on May 2, 1961. Both the notifications were challenged in the High Court of Gujarat on various grounds, and the petition was allowed by the High Court. The Municipal Corporation of the City of Ahmedabad, being the fourth respondent in the writ petition in the High Court, filed an appeal before this court against the order of the High Court. A preliminary objection was raised against the maintainability of the appeal on the ground that the corporation was not aggrieved by the order of the High Court. This court allowed the preliminary objection on a short ground that though the property was notified for acquisition by the state government for the use of the municipal corporation after it was acquired by the government, but that did not confer any interest in the municipal corporation so as to enable it to file an appeal against the order of the High Court. It was further observed that substantially the grounds on which the writ petition was filed were that the notifications were invalid on account of diverse reasons. Some of these reasons had been upheld and some had not been upheld, but all those grounds related to the validity of the notifications issued by the Government of Bombay and the Government of Gujarat. This court further observed as under. A division bench of this court of 2 judges in Himalayan Tiles and Marbles Private Limited versus Francis Victor Contino, dead by LRS and others, 1983 SCR 235 examined the question of person interested under the land acquisition proceedings in detail and categorically held that the appellant Himalayan Tiles and Marbles, being a private company for which the land was acquired, was undoubtedly a person interested as contemplated by Section 18(1) of the Act. It was held that the definition of a person interested given in Section 18 is an inclusive definition and must be liberally construed so as to embrace all persons who may be directly or indirectly interested either in the title to the land or in the quantum of compensation. It was further held that the lands were actually acquired for the purpose of the company, and once the land vested in the government after acquisition, it stood transferred to the company under the agreement entered into between the company and the government. Thus, it cannot be said that the company had no claim or title to the land at all. Secondly, since under the agreement the company had to pay the compensation, it was most certainly interested in seeing that a proper quantum of compensation was fixed so that the company may not have to pay a very heavy amount of money. This court categorically held that the view taken by the Orissa High Court or even by the Calcutta High Court that a company, local authority, or a person for whose benefit the land is acquired is not an interested person is not correct. In the above case, this court further held that the preponderance of judicial opinion seems to favor the view that the definition of person interested must be liberally construed so as to include a body, local authority, or a company for whose benefit the land is acquired and who is bound under an agreement to pay the compensation. This view accords with the principles of equity, justice, and good conscience. It may be further important to note that this court in the above case approved the case of Punjab and Haryana High Court in the Hindustan Centenary Wire and Industries Limited, Bahadurgarh, and ANR versus the State of Haryana and ORS AIR 1972, Punjab and Haryana 59.